Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a giveaway, an unboxing, and let's get started. Happy Wednesday, by the way. And I can't wait to get this over with because this website is so gimmicky. There's like ads everywhere. You ready? Okay, let's pick a winner. Okay, you see it, I see it. If you're the winner, reach out to me at cheesestacks86@gmail.com. All right, guys, so this is an unboxing day as well. And it happened again. So this is a package from APMEX, and it looks like they didn't take my email very seriously. I never had a package go missing from APMEX and it wasn't insured. I've had some issues in the past where it got stolen off the truck. They replaced it like 5 months later, but here we go. It's a $20 Gold Liberty. The front, the back. Let me see what year it is. 1876? Hey Siri, open magnifier. Hey Siri, open camera. Hey Siri, open camera. Here we go, that's much better. Or the magnifying app is way too magnifying. Yeah, you guys, it's been quite a bittersweet day. So we have an 1876. I have no idea about the mint mark because I cannot see that small of a text and I don't have the microscope out with me today. So again, congratulations to the winner, and make sure you reach out to me. And if you're a parent and your kiddo just started school for the first time, it's a pretty bittersweet moment, isn't it? Yeah. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye, guys.